Hey there, thanks for purchasing this template and welcome to the template customization video in Microsoft Word. Hopefully you will find it easy to update and use. We have worked hard to make it as easy as possible for you to edit and customize the template to make it your very own. In this step-by-step guideline video, you will find a couple of points to help you with this template in the whole customization process. Be sure to give it a full watch to get the most out of this video. Of course, if you do run into any problem regarding this template, please feel free to contact us through our profile. We would love to help as soon as we can. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Unzipping download file. Now when you have purchased the template and you have already downloaded it in your own desktop, now you need to go through a couple of necessary steps. First things first, you have to unzip the download files in order to use them. Let's unzip the files. The download files should be in your download folder on your computer. Right-click on the download files named probably main files. Click on Extract All from the drop-down menu. Make sure to unmarked Show Extracted Files when complete. Click Extract. Now the unzipping is complete and you have the files ready in the main download files for your use. Installing font in Windows Computer. Unless you already have the following fonts installed on your computer, you will need to download and install them before editing the template. Unzip the download files. Unzipping done. In some cases you have the fonts already in the download folder. Select the fonts and right-click on the selected font or fonts. Click Install for all users. If you don't have the fonts in your download files by default, you need to download the fonts yourself using the font download link provided in the step-by-step guideline folder. Click on the font link. Download the font. Go to the folder where the font is downloaded. Unzip and install the fonts. Fonts installation complete. You are ready to start the customization process. Turning on Layer Panel. Go to Format tab and click on Selection Panel or press Alt F10 to show or hide Selection Panel. Replacing and resizing image. Click on the image shape, click on Drawing Tool Format in the menu, click on Shape Fill and click on Picture from the drop-down menu, then browse and select your own image. Click on Insert, your image changed. Now go to Menu, Picture Tools Format, click on Crop button and choose Fill option from the drop-down menu. In this moment, the image will resize automatically in the box. Resizing image to the box. Now go to Menu, Picture Tools Format, click on Crop button and choose Fill option from the drop-down menu. In this moment, the image will resize automatically in the box. Replacing text. Just click to select the text you want to change. Double-click on the text and put your own text. After editing, press Escape 2 times to release. Changing font. To change the font, go to Home tab and change the font. Changing font size. To change the font size, go to Home tab and change the font size. Changing text color. To change the color of your text, just select the text. Then go to Format, Text Fill and change the color of your text as your wish. Spacing and appearance. Select the text and right-click and then press Font. In Advanced tab, choose Condensed or Expanded in the Spacing tab and select the point. You can see the preview below what changes you are making. Moving an object. In order to move an object, you have to select the shape first. To select a shape, click on the object. Then move by pressing your arrow keys on the keyboard. Selection multiple object. Press and hold Ctrl while you click the shapes. To select multiple shape with text, you have to do it differently. Press and hold Shift while you click the shapes to select text shape. If you select the text inside the object, just click on the text. And for the object itself, press Escape after selecting the text. Object alignment. You can align both texts and shapes with same options here. To align objects, first, select the objects by holding Shift key. Go to Format tab, click Align and select your align settings. Replacing floral elements. Click on the floral shape, click on Drawing Tool Format in the menu. Click on Shape Fill and click on Picture from the drop-down menu, then browse and select your own floral element. Click on Insert your floral Changing shape color. To change the color of your shape, just select the shape. Then go to Format, Shape Fill and change the color of your shape as your wish. Changing gradient color. To change the gradient color of your shape, just select the shape. Then go to Format, click on Shape Fill. Click Gradient. Click More Gradient and change the gradient color of your shape as your wish. Resizing shape or object. To resize an object, you need to select the object first. Don't forget to press Shift key and drag from any corner of that object to maintain aspect ratio of that object during resizing. Changing line color. To change the color of your line, just select the line. Then go to Format, Shape Outline and change the color of your line as your wish. Adding an additional page and merging multiple documents into one. In some cases you need additional pages, just simply make another copy of your document and use the copied one as additional page. At the end you can merge the documents in one document. Insert tab allows you to subtly merge documents. Locate object. Press a small triangle next to it, and click Text from File from the drop-down menu. After that, you can select files to be merged into the current document by pressing and holding Ctrl to select more than one documents. Note: documents placed at the top will be merged in the first place. Therefore, please sort and number each target document in case that you want to keep a certain sequence for your documents. Removing unnecessary page. In order to remove any unnecessary page, simply click on that page. Select all the elements in that page. Press the delete button on your keyboard. That unnecessary page is gone. Simple. Merging multiple documents into one. Insert tab allows you to subtly merge documents. Locate object, press a small triangle next to it, and click Text from File from the drop-down menu. After that, you can select files to be merged into the current document by pressing and holding Ctrl to select more than one documents. Note: documents placed at the top will be merged in the first place. Therefore, please sort and number each target document in case that you want to keep a certain sequence for your documents. Printing document. Click the File tab and then click Print. To go back to your document, click the File or Arrow tab. Click the Print tab to print a document, change print-related settings, and to automatically display a preview of your document. Click the Print button to print your document. A drop-down menu shows the currently selected printer. Clicking the drop-down will display other available printers. Print with no margin. Printing a Word document with no margins sounds like a fairly easy task, but it can be a little tricky depending on your settings. 1. In Word file, go to Page Setup. 2. Settings, Page Attributes. 3. Format for any printer. 4. Paper size, click here and then click on Manage Custom Sizes. 5. Click to add new size, name it PDF Borderless. 6. Set the paper size as 210 mm by 297 mm, or 8.27 by 11.69 inches, 4A4 size and 215.9 mm by 279.4 mm, or 8.5 by 11 inches, for US letter size. 7. Make sure non-printable area says user-defined, and change margins in boxes to 0. 8. Click OK to save your changes. Now all you have to do is print. 1. Go to Print menu. 2. Printer, choose any. 3. Presets, standard. 4. Click on PDF, save as PDF. 5. Choose file name and save location. 6. Click Save. Saving as PDF. Choose File Save As from the menu at the top of the screen. 2. Rename and/or choose a place to save your file. From the Format drop-down menu, select PDF. Press Save and the PDF will be made in the background in no more than a few seconds, depending on your computer and the complexity of the file. Combining multiple PDF pages into one PDF. If you have used two templates and saved them both as PDFs, you will likely want to combine these into a single PDF file. There are a number of different ways to combine PDF pages depending on your operating system and the software you have. Check out the following link and find the method that works best for your setup. pdfjoiner.com. Saving PDF without white borders. These templates are designed to look the most awesome when the colors go all the way to edge. In order to retain this when saving as a PDF, you'll need to do the following. 1. In Word file, go to Page Setup. 2. Settings, Page Attributes. 3. Format for any printer. 4. Paper size, click here and then click on Manage Custom Sizes. 5. Click to add new size, name it PDF Borderless. 6. Set the paper size as 210 mm by 297 mm, or 8.27 by 11.69 inches, 4A4 size, and 215.9 mm by 279.4 mm, or 8.5 by 11 inches, for US letter size. 7. Make sure non-printable area says user-defined, and change margins in boxes to 0. 1. Under File, select Save As. In the window that opens, select Format as PDF. 2. Select Save to save your new borderless PDF. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps you to customize this template very easily. Please feel free to contact us through our profile for any kind of assistance regarding this template. Highly professional, after-sale customer support is our promise.